In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw a circle. First thing we need to do is to follow the mouse pointer all the way to the left-hand panel, and we're going to click on this shape icon here, and we're going to hold down left mouse click and then let go when we hover over the circle icon. Now you notice my cursor has changed to reflect that I'm now in the draw circle mode, and you'll notice that I've got the XY values appearing where I've moved my mouse, and this is telling me where my mouse is currently situated on my sheet. So if I want to go to the dead center here, I can snap to it and it says X5, Y5 because my job is a 10 by 10 job. So Y5, X5 is the middle. And I'm just going to start drawing a circle by left mouse clicking and dragging out my circle. Now right away you'll see we've got some useful information. We've got a floating field displaying the radius and the diameter. So if you want to be really accurate about how big or small your circle is, you can use that to your advantage. You can of course just eyeball it and make a circle as big or as small as needed and just let go. And you'll also see that we've got the red preview of our circle here that I'm making larger and smaller while I am speaking. Now I can also change the diameter by typing in a number. So while I'm still got my left mouse click held down, if I type in the number 4, for example, and then you'll see the quick keys pop up, so I can press R or D, R being for radius and D being for diameter. If I now press D, it will draw me a circle with a diameter of 4 and a radius of 2, as displayed here in this floating field. Now, as this is the radius, we can actually change this in this floating field as well. So let's say we actually want to go half of that. We want to put 1. Well, you can simply type in 1, press enter on the keyboard, and just like that, you now have a circle that is a radius of 1 and a diameter of 2. And you can also see the radius by hovering over this white circle over by the edge of our circle here, and it will display the radius for you. So you can always click on that if you ever need to edit it as well. And now because we've got our current size of circle, if we go to the left-hand side of it and we click anywhere in that space, it will create a circle of the same size because the software has remembered the size of the last circle you have created. And indeed, if you want to use a quick keys to change the radius of the circle while you're creating it, you can do that as well. So I'll just show you an example. I'll left mouse click and drag out my circle. I'll press the number 1 and then R for radius, and that draws me my radius 1 inch circle. Now you can also hover your mouse over the middle of your circle here and you can see the X and Y coordinates of it, but you can also click on that to now drag it around your worksheet. So if I want to put it on the top corner, I can do that. And let's say I want to select another circle while I'm still in the draw circle mode, I can simply hold shift on the keyboard, left mouse click on another circle, and now I can drag that one out to a different location if I want to. And then finally, if I hit escape to come out of the draw circle tool, I can also press E on the keyboard, E for echo, and we'll go back into the draw circle tool. You can see here I'm back in and I'm drawing my circles because the software has remembered that I was using the draw circle tool. And that is how you draw circles within the software.